Blender BIM community. I would like to show you a working prototype of a faster way to group clashes. So if you've ever done BIM management and long clash detection work in Navisworks, you might know how difficult sometimes grouping things can be. And even when the tool is fast, it's not necessarily very smart. So the goal of this little extension to BlenderBIM is to make the work of grouping the clashes down more manageable. So right here I have a set of clashes that does architecture versus mechanical. This is just using the built-in BlenderBIM clash sets. And I've run it already, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go select those and show you what that does. So we do have quite a few clashes, but right now they're not grouped. Basically they're just all individual clashes, right? So if you wanted to kind of deal with these in smaller groups, it's a little bit hard to do. So you kind of have to look at it like as a whole group like this. So the idea of the smart grouper, if I show you here, is that once you have it run, you run the smart clash group, and then you can go through and select one of those groups here and isolate it, and then go look at that in 3D to focus in on those clashes. So as you can see here, it's detected that these three clashes are actually all related, which makes total sense because they're touching the same wall. But it is not grouping based off of the wall. It's actually grouping based off of their 3D positions at the moment. So there's many enhancements that can be done to this, no doubt about that. So the question for the community here is, do you think this would be something useful for you? And if so, what kind of features would you look for in a tool like this? As you can see here, it's grouped these clashes together based on their proximity in 3D, and it's a pretty good guess. Probably better than what you'd see as grouping in Navisworks out of the box for sure. Alright, so let me know what you think. Looking forward to your feedback.